Every time you breathe, a hidden dance of over 300 million alveoli unfolds inside you. These tiny air sacs cover an area so vast that it could fill a tennis court. Oxygen travels from your nose and mouth, journeying down your trachea, splitting into bronchi, and finally reaching the alveoli. But here's the astonishing part. In just seconds, each breath you take exchanges nearly a liter of gas, removing carbon dioxide and refreshing your blood with oxygen. This system ensures that every cell in your body has the energy it needs to function, powering you through the day. You might think breathing is just about pulling air in and out, but it's more complex. Each breath doesn't just happen automatically, it's triggered by your medulla oblongata, a brainstem region. This area detects rising carbon dioxide levels in your blood, signaling your diaphragm to contract. When your diaphragm contracts, it creates a vacuum that pulls air into your lungs. This process can occur up to 20,000 times a day. The rhythm and depth of each breath are finely tuned, responding to your body's changing needs, whether you're running, sleeping, or even laughing. The air you inhale is only 21% oxygen, yet your lungs extract precisely what you require. The alveoli are wrapped in a web of capillaries where oxygen molecules cross thin membranes into your bloodstream. Hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells, binds oxygen with remarkable efficiency, carrying it to your tissues. In fact, one red blood cell can bind up to 1 billion oxygen molecules. As oxygen is delivered, carbon dioxide from cellular respiration returns to your lungs, ready to be exhaled. This exchange is seamless, continuous, and crucial for survival. But why do we need such a complex system for something as simple as breathing? It's about energy. Oxygen is the fuel for cellular respiration, the process that powers ATP production. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is the energy currency of your cells, fueling everything from muscle contractions to nerve impulses. Without oxygen, ATP production halts and cells begin to fail. This is why even a brief interruption in breathing can be life-threatening. The body's intricate design ensures that oxygen delivery is as efficient as possible, maintaining the delicate balance required for life. The efficiency of your lungs is remarkable, but what's even more intriguing is how they adapt. Your lungs have a built-in ability to adjust to different altitudes. At high elevations where oxygen levels are lower, your body responds almost immediately. It increases your breathing rate and the production of red blood cells to capture more oxygen. This adaptability is a testament to evolution, allowing humans to survive in diverse environments. Such flexibility means your lungs can function from sea level to mountain peaks, ensuring you remain oxygenated wherever you go. Dive into your lungs at a cellular level and the first thing you'll encounter is the surfactant. This slippery substance lines your alveoli, reducing surface tension, preventing collapse during exhalation. Without surfactant, breathing would be an arduous task. Each alveolus is like a balloon, expanding and contracting as you breathe. Surfactant is produced by type II alveolar cells, and its role is crucial for efficient gas exchange. In fact, premature infants often struggle with breathing due to underdeveloped surfactant production. This protective layer ensures that your lungs remain functional, maintaining the delicate balance within your respiratory system. Oxygen transport involves more than just hemoglobin. Inside your cells, oxygen fuels mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. Here, a process called oxidative phosphorylation occurs. This intricate cascade of reactions transforms oxygen and nutrients into ATP, providing your body with energy. In this process, electrons are transferred through a chain of proteins within the mitochondrial membrane. These proteins pump protons, creating a gradient that drives the synthesis of ATP. This microscopic mechanism is an energy powerhouse, showcasing how vital oxygen is in powering life, with mitochondria cycling through ATP thousands of times per second. Carbon dioxide removal is equally fascinating. CO2 travels back to your lungs in 3 forms: dissolved in plasma, bound to hemoglobin, or as bicarbonate ions. The enzyme carbonic anhydrase catalyzes the conversion of CO2 and water into bicarbonate in red blood cells. This reversible reaction efficiently transports CO2 from tissues to lungs. Once in the lungs, the reaction reverses, releasing CO2 for exhalation. This process is a testament to your body's ability to maintain pH balance, preventing acidosis or alkalosis. The precision of this chemical equilibrium ensures every breath efficiently clears metabolic waste. Your body's respiratory control is a marvel of feedback loops. The central chemoreceptors in your brainstem constantly monitor blood pH, detecting changes from CO2 levels. When CO2 rises, these receptors signal for increased breathing rate and depth. Peripheral chemoreceptors, located in the carotid and aortic bodies, also play a role, sensing low oxygen levels. Together, they fine-tune your breathing, responding to varied demands like exercise or rest. This system is incredibly sensitive, with even slight deviations in blood gases triggering immediate adjustments, ensuring your cells receive the oxygen they require while expelling excess carbon dioxide. The role of the diaphragm in breathing is fundamental, yet its mechanism is delicate. This dome-shaped muscle contracts, pulling downwards to create negative pressure within your thoracic cavity. This pressure difference draws air into your lungs. Interestingly, the diaphragm alone moves nearly 500 milliliters of air per breath at rest. Intercostal muscles assist, expanding your rib cage to enhance the volume of air intake. This coordinated effort between muscle and pressure dynamics showcases the complexity of your breathing apparatus, highlighting how seamless this involuntary action is, ensuring that your lungs operate efficiently with every inhalation and exhalation. Under extreme conditions, your lungs reveal their limits. Consider the impact of high-intensity exercise. During such activity, your breathing rate may increase to over 40 breaths per minute. This demand for oxygen transforms your lungs into a high-capacity exchange system, drawing in air and expelling carbon dioxide efficiently. Blood flow to the lungs can increase fivefold, accommodating this demand. However, when the system is overwhelmed, the body may experience a state called exercise-induced hypoxemia, where oxygen levels drop. This highlights the finely tuned balance your lungs maintain, revealing their ability to adapt yet indicating their boundaries. Let's explore what happens when this system breaks down. In asthma, airways become inflamed and constricted, leading to difficulty in breathing. During an asthma attack, the smooth muscles around the bronchioles tighten and the lining swells, significantly restricting airflow. This condition affects over 300 million people globally, highlighting how crucial the respiratory pathways are for survival. Medications like bronchodilators work by relaxing these muscles, restoring airflow. Asthma exemplifies how vulnerability in your lungs' intricate network can lead to significant challenges in maintaining normal respiration. Smoking presents a different kind of stress to your lungs. With each inhale of tobacco smoke, over 7,000 chemicals assault your lung tissue, degrading the alveoli and paralyzing cilia, the tiny hairs in your airways that clear mucus and debris. Chronic exposure leads to conditions like emphysema, where alveoli lose elasticity, reducing surface area for gas exchange. This damages the lung's architecture, impairing oxygen uptake. Such conditions reveal the fragility of the lung's tissue and how persistent harmful exposure can overwhelm the body's repair mechanisms, leading to chronic respiratory issues. High altitudes present another challenge for your respiratory system. Above 8,000 feet, oxygen levels drop, pushing your lungs to work harder. Initially, you'll breathe more rapidly to increase oxygen intake. Over time, your body acclimates, producing more red blood cells to enhance oxygen transport. This adjustment can take days to weeks, depending on the altitude. However, rapid ascents can lead to altitude sickness, causing symptoms like headaches and nausea as your body struggles to cope. This adaptation process underscores your lungs' remarkable ability to adjust while also highlighting their limitations. But here's a fact that might change your perspective. Your lungs aren't just for gas exchange. They harbor a vast network of immune cells. Macrophages and lymphocytes patrol your airways, defending against pathogens and particulates with incredible precision. This immune function is ongoing, with each breath introducing potential threats. Your lungs are constantly filtering and protecting you from the environment. This dual role of respiration and immunity reframes our understanding of the lungs, showing that they're not just air processors but vigilant guardians of your body's health, working tirelessly every second of your life.